Here's how to set up an external company email address in Planfix, so all customer emails are automatically routed into your account. To start, go to Account Management, Email, Company's external email addresses, and add a new address. Now select the email provider for the address you want Planfix to receive messages from, for example Gmail, and sign in to the corresponding account. At this point, some settings will be filled in automatically. You'll only need to specify the name of the sender. To ensure customer replies also appear in Planfix, enable the corresponding option. At this step, you'll turn on email forwarding from your mailbox to Planfix. To do this, open Gmail and go to Manage Labels. Open the Forwarding and Pop IMAP section. Add a forwarding address. This forwarding address can be your internal Planfix email address. After you save the settings, Gmail will send a confirmation email. This will arrive in Planfix as a task. Open the task, click the confirmation link in the email, and confirm forwarding. Then choose what Gmail should do with the copies of forwarded emails. Finally, save the settings. Now all emails will be delivered to Planfix automatically. Next, in the external address settings, specify which employees will be allowed to use this address. If needed, you can also link the external address to a specific project or set it as the default for all tasks. If you'd like, you can also configure an email signature for this address. Now let's fine-tune how Planfix handles those incoming emails. We recommend enabling these options. Create a new task when responding to a completed task. This way, you don't miss an email that arrives in a closed task. Show Spam button. This allows for quick removal of unwanted emails. Do not send contacts notifications about actions added by other participants by email. This provides protection against accidentally emailing clients. Use subject, sender, and email header to determine that the email is a response to an existing task. This ensures the first email creates a task, and the following messages become comments. And that's it. Your virtual mailbox is connected, and emails will now automatically arrive in Planfix.